Hi children, how are you all? Welcome in our English lecture and we have chapter 14, the necklace. In this chapter, we'll see many human feelings when anyone born in poor family and it is very difficult to maintain that full house. So how that human being feel, that we'll see in this chapter. So the necklace title, the necklace is very suitable for this lesson. And long ago there was a young girl. She was very beautiful. She born in poor family, but she was very beautiful. She was so much beautiful, but the only problem was that she born in poor family. She had dreamed to marry with a rich person, to live luxurious life. She had costly house, furnitures, well-beings, that all that pleasures of world she wanted to enjoy in her life. She want new clothes, expensive clothes, expensive house, jewelries, that everything she want. Her dream was there, but her dream was washed out because she was born in poor family. That was only problem, that she born in a poor family. So all her dream that washed her. She was so beautiful, charming, but she was born in poor family. So she had no money, means very less money. So she did not able to give dowry in her marriage. Dowry means that amount of money or some property given to the husband from the wife's family. So that property and money she did not have. So she was married in a very poor family with a clerk, that Loisel was her husband. With a poor Loisel she married and she was living life with that Loisel. So her whole dream was washed away because of that poverty. Because of poverty, her whole dream washed away. She was not happy. Even she was not happy with her present life with her husband because they earn very little and they did not enjoy the luxury of life. She had very less money, but her all joy destroyed because of poverty. She even did not happy with the present life with her husband, and this was her story. One day, her husband came from job. Her husband came from job, and he had one envelope in his hand. He came home from the job and he had given that envelope to her, means Madam Loisel. Mr. Loisel has given that envelope in the hand of Madam Loisel. First, she was very happy to see that envelope. Mr. Loisel also thought to see this envelope, Madam will be happy. She opened that envelope and read that invitation. Inside that invitation was there the Minister of Education and the madam invitation was from the Minister of Education and Madam that Rammonan, that there from both sides that invitation came. So that invitation came. To see that invitation, Mr. Loisel thought she will be very happy, but something strange happened. She will not be happy. She was very sad to read this. Her husband asked her reason for that. She said, "We are very poor. How will go in that party?" It was an invitation of party, but Madam Loisel refused to go in that party because she was not feeling well. She has given the reason she did not have enough expensive clothes and jewelry to wear. Her husband was there. He thought expensive jewelry and clothes are not there, so she will not be able to go in that party. She was very much sad. She didn't even eat, and she was very sad to see that invitation, because she told her husband that in that party many rich persons, upper class, high class persons will come in that party and will go without that jewelry, without dress. So how it looks strange. She was looking so beautiful, but jewelry was not there and expensive clothes is not there. So she refused to go in that party. So what happened? Her husband said, "Anyhow, we'll do arrangement of dress from on rent." So they brought that dress on rent for party. But the dress problem is solved now, because her husband, he said that he'll bring that dress on rent, very beautiful dress he will bring on rent for that party. In that party she can wear, and after party they can return that dress. Next day, Madam Loisel said, "Now dress we already got, but what about jewelry?" There was a problem of jewelry, because jewelry was not there. Her husband advised her, "Why don't you ask to your friend Madam Frontier for that jewelry?" Madam Frontier was there. She was Madam Loisel's best friend from childhood. So her husband said, "Why don't you ask for jewelry to your friend?" Next day, Madam Loisel went to Madam Frontier and she explained her problem. So Madam Frontier took her in her room and showed her many expensive jewelries and many necklaces and many ornaments she showed. And she told Madam Loisel, "Choose anyone from this for your party." So Madam Loisel chose a expensive diamond necklace she took, and she promised her friend that she will return that necklace after party. Her friend Madam Frontier agreed. Then she took that necklace at home. Next day, Madam Loisel wear that necklace in a party. She was looking so beautiful. She wore that necklace on her gown and she was looking so beautiful and charming. In a party, everyone looking at Madame Loisel and everyone wanted to dance with Madame Loisel because she was looking so beautiful. So, everyone wanted to dance with that Madame Loisel. Then, anyhow, that party was completed. In her life, Madame Loisel first time felt very great and delighted. She felt very comfortable first time in her life because she wore expensive jewelry and costumes. So in her life, first time she felt comfortable and very luxurious she felt. When they went at home, the diamond necklace she took from her friend that was lost. They searched everywhere for that necklace, but they did not get that necklace. In short, they lost that necklace. They did not get that necklace. They searched everywhere for that necklace, but they did not get that diamond necklace. So, they fear to be arrested by the police because they are afraid of police. There is a fear of police in their mind that to be arrested by the police. So, they decided to pay money for that necklace, but they were very poor. They wanted to buy new necklace instead of that necklace, diamond necklace, but they were very poor. So, her husband started two jobs and Madame Loisel, she herself working her household work. She had dreamed for luxurious life, but she herself working in her house and her husband doing two jobs, day and night, and two jobs, and anyhow they collected some money. Even they sold their house and went into the small house. They sold their big house and they went to the small house to live, and for 10 years, not 1 or 2 years, for 10 years they worked very hard. That husband doing two jobs and that Madame Loisel worked her household work herself for 10 years. During that 10 years, all her beauty was lost. During that 10 years, all her beauty was lost because she had to do all housework herself. So she lost all her beauty. All her beauty was lost in 10 years. So they done great work for 10 years, and anyhow they collected money and bought new diamond necklace because they had to return that diamond necklace to her friend. One day, when Madame Loisel was in market, she saw her friend, Madame Frontier, was going with her daughter. She shouted her friend and met her friend. But Madame Frontier did not identify, did not recognize her friend, Madame Loisel. So, Madame Loisel herself said, I am Madame Loisel, but her beauty was lost, so it was very difficult to identify her. Then Madame Frontier asked, how you lost this all beauty? So in return, Madame Loisel answered, I lost my all beauty. All beauty I lost because of you only. Frontier asked, "How you lost all your beauty?" When Madame Loisel was asked by Madame Frontier, "How you lost all her beauty?" then Madame Loisel answered, "I lost my all beauty because of you only." Then Madame Frontier asked, "How? Because of me you lost all beauty?" Then Madame Loisel replied, "You know, before 10 years you have given me one diamond necklace to wear in party, and I lost that necklace. I lost that diamond necklace. So I bought a new diamond necklace in return of that necklace. So for that I worked very hard for 10 years." And she told her all her story of 10 years, that how she worked and how her husband worked very hard, and they bought new diamond necklace for her friend. And then to listen, Madame Frontier very much upset and little bit smile and laugh and said, "Oh my dear, the necklace which I gave you, it was not real diamond necklace. It was not a real diamond necklace. It was just 500 francs, not real necklace. Diamonds were not real. It was not very much expensive." So this is the story about that necklace, that how Madame Loisel and Madame Frontier that meet at last, and how they recognize that diamond necklace. So I hope you understand this story well. Okay, thank you children. Bye.